They have this wonderful chair you can sit in, you know. I just used to store that thing. That is one function of this room. There's a table. There's the AC that barely works. There's a bedside table, another bedside table with my used water bottles on it. There's this big table with some plugs and stuff, and a plant. So that's, you know, that's all wonderful. There's a kettle, but obviously there's no water provided or anything like that, so you can't really use it. And tap water here isn't necessarily safe to drink. They have this amazing construction of a plug right behind the bed. Like, the bed is here, the plug is here. This is true genius. But that's there. There's a bunch of, like, there's a closet thing, light switches. We can turn on the bathroom light. There's a fan here, so it's a bit loud, sorry. There's a shower. I haven't tried it yet, but hopefully it works. There's a toilet, looks pretty nice actually. And there's the sink, they have like shampoo and stuff as well. But one fun fact about the bathroom, let's turn that back on, is this bloody lock. This shit doesn't work, like, at all. This shit is just completely broken, like, it is not functional. So the bathroom door lock does not fucking work. So that's essentially the room tour. There's also a window here with 3 sets of blinds that still don't block out all the light, by the way. So makes sleeping even more difficult during daytime, which of course is a normal sleeping time, but regardless, it's what it is. Oh, and there's also TV. And a ceiling. The lights are pretty good actually, they are quite bright, not too bright, the lights are good, I like the lighting. Bonus facts. This kettle does not have a power on indicator light, or anything of the sort. This sink becomes hotter when you turn the direction with the snow symbol, and colder when you turn it towards the sun symbol. This clock is out of batteries, it does not work. This double bed is not actually a double bed, but just 2 single beds stuck together. This is the mystery water I found next to my door. I hope it's supposed to be mine, because I took it. There's a second one too, but I only need one right now. This lock does not automatically lock in either direction. You have to manually open it when you leave. And then you have to manually lock it. A very manual system. I don't know why it's like that in this year, but oh well.